here's how to reactivate your banned Instagram account. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. For the first step, you have to click on the first link that I give in the video description. Then here it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to enter all the details in this form. First you have to enter your full name, then you have to enter your email address, and then you have to enter your Instagram username. After entering your username, now you have to enter your mobile number. Then here you have to type in the same message that I'm gonna type in. Now at the end of your message, you have to enter your Instagram username and then click on the send button. Once you submit this form, now you have to click on the second link in the video description to go to your second form. Here you have to click on the no option and then click the send button, and once you click on the send button, it will further open a form. Now at this form you have to again enter your full name, username and email address. Then here you have to select your country and then click on the send button. Now in the third and the last step, you have to send an email to Instagram support. Here you have to type in this exact message. Remember to use strong words in your message and don't use first person narration. By following exact these 3 steps, your account will be reactivated within 3 working days. So this is how you can reactivate your disabled Instagram account.